Hi, today we are going to discuss the topic is how to achieve field updates through flows. Before we are going to start the session, let's have a great quote from great personalities. Mind is consciousness which has put on limitations. You are originally unlimited and perfect. Later, you take on limitations and become the mind. What we are going to cover as part of this session, field updates or field update based on the criteria, field update based on custom metadata type records. So, till now, what we are doing to do field updates, we are depending on workflow rule and process builder or before triggers, right? Now, think about flow builder before you are going to choose these three. Same thing applies to field update based on the custom metadata type records. So here, as per our, as part of our session, we are going to take the custom metadata type records as configurable records for updating the field update. In other words, whenever you want to update some fields based on the configurable records in the system, then how can you do? So you are going to think about before triggers immediately. But before you are going to think about before triggers, think about the flow builder now, because you have the possibility to update to get the records also. So until it is not possible in flow builder, you should not write trigger or process builder or field or workflow, because flow builder has best performance compared to all these three. And now let's talk about the scenario about field update based on the criteria. I want to update rating to heart when a type is customer direct when account is created. In other word, in other words, when an account is created, I want to update a rating field to heart when type is customer direct. This is one example. Another example, I want to update probability field value on opportunity whenever opportunity is created or updated if opportunity is private based on stage and lead source from custom metadata type records. That means in custom metadata type, I will configure stage name and lead source and probability. And then whenever an opportunity is created or updated, if it is private is a checkbox field on opportunity. If it is private, I want to get the values, I want to get the probability value based on the stage and lead source of opportunity record from custom metadata type records. How we can do that? With flow builder instead of using before triggers. Let's see. Let's start with first one. So first one is update rating to heart when account type is customer, when account type is customer direct, right? Let's see. Flow. It's very simple. New record triggered flow. You have to select auto layout. I selected, and now select a record is created and before the record is saved, because you want to update the fields on object which is launching your flow. So always go with the before the record is saved criteria here. And then you don't need to use the update element for this. You can just assign the values as you do in a before trigger. Same like when you talk about after insert, when you want to update a fields on account object, for suppose for this example, then what you have to do, you have to perform DML operation as it is after insert, and it becomes a read. Then it will be your record will be read only if you want to assign the values only. But if it is a before update, before trigger, you just need to assign the values. You can avoid the DML operations. Same way in our flow trigger also, take this one. Okay, before the record is saved, and your criteria is when a record is created. So as you selected before the record is saved, you don't need to use update record element in Flow Builder to update the field. You can use the assign element instead of update element. Let's see, I am choosing the object. Here we are talking about account object. When type equals customer direct, I want to update rating to hard. Just set the variable values, right? Assignment rating update. So here current record rating equals hard. Simple. Save account rating out. Save. Activate. Now let's go and create. Let's create an account. Test foundation. Okay. Now type, I'm selecting customer direct. It should be, it should update rating as hard. Let's see. See here, it is updated to rating as hard. This is how you can do field updates with Flow Builder. Now, how you can capture the values from the record, from configurable records, and update to fields on opportunity, we are going to talk about it. Okay, what is the scenario? What is that scenario here? I have a custom metadata type called stage probability, where I configure lead source and stage name and probability. So now whenever opportunity is created or updated, if opportunity is a private, then I want to update probability on that opportunity based on this combination from this custom metadata type. That is my requirement. How I can do? Usually on stage name itself, if you go to opportunity here, if you go to opportunity here, on go to fields, stage, and if you see here itself, you have probabilities defined for each stage, right? It is a standard. That's why whenever you select the prospecting, it automatically populates the 10% as a probability. But my requirement is when opportunity is private, I want to capture these values from custom metadata type records based on the combination of stage name and lead source. How we can do? That's what we are going to discuss. So now I am going to create a new flow, recorded trigger flow, same way, auto layout. A record is created or updated before the record is saved, and choose the object. Our object is opportunity, and what is the thing? Is private equals true. Along with that, lead source is changed. Along with the stage name is changed. Okay, true, true. And here I'm building the custom logic here. I mean custom conditions 1 and 2 or 3, because when I want to fire this, when I want to trigger this, usually whenever whenever opportunity is private, in other words, whenever is private checkbox is true, and if there is a change on lead source or stage name, I want to fire this. Now every time record is updated, when to run the flow, every time record is updated, This one updated and meets the conditions. So let's see. Now is private. Yes. So let's select this. Okay. Is private true, or lead source stage name is changed? This is my this is my condition. And now what we have to do, we have to get the values. Get record, get stage probability. Record, record. And now what is this? Stage probability, where I'm selecting stage probability metadata type, where lead source. Okay, lead source equals our opportunity lead source, and stage name equals our opportunity stage. 10. Only first record and automatically store all the fields. That's it. I'm not changing anything else. Just I am trying to retrieve the record from custom metadata for this conditions. Okay. So I used get record element for that. And now assignment. Assign. And what is this? Record probability. We have to update opportunity probability from our custom metadata type, which we retrieved already through get record element. Done. Save. Opportunity probability update flow. Save. Now let's see, before we are going to say practically, let's see how it works through debug. Created three opportunity, run. See here, opportunity no ID, and then field ID successfully record found, right? So where stage name and qualification, stage name is qualification, and the lead source is a phone inquiry here. Okay, so on opportunity we have those things, and we are able to find out and assigning the probability to our opportunity. That's it. It rolls back the changes. Even you select the existing one, it is not going to update. Okay, now it is working perfectly. Now let's try to create an opportunity, update an opportunity. First thing is, let's go with this new opportunities product. First product opportunity, and amount I'm giving whatever you want, you can give. And here prospecting and lead sources, partner referral. So whenever you select prospecting, it automatically populates a probability, because you have the setup by default on stage field for your opportunity. Otherwise it won't populate automatically here. So but even it is populated, when you save the record, it automatically captured the probability value from our custom metadata record through our flow, because it is a private. Save. Let's see how it works. See, 35%. It is updated as 35% because partner referral and prospecting. So let's see, partner referral and prospecting. This is the one. Because of this, it is updating to 35. If I change it to qualification, it has to update it to 40. Let's see. I'm changing to qualification. See, 40, it is updated. This is how it works. See, now if you observe, we are able to do field updates, simple field updates. However, how we can do with the process builder or workflow rule, and we are able to capture the configurable record and update the fields on a record, right? How we do in before triggers. So what you have to think here, before you are writing the trigger, before triggers, before you are writing before triggers, before you are defining the field updates on workflow or process builder, utilize flow builder before you are going to move to any other things, any other automation features. So we have different automation features, flow builder and workflow rule and process builder. After that you have triggers, right? So now give a priority to flow builder to do all this kind of actions. Once it is not possible in flow builder, once there is no way to achieve your requirement through flow builder, then only go with that, because Salesforce enhanced a lot of things in flow builder. Okay, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook.